Y'all will not believe. It is already starting off as a chaotic vlog. I am so sorry, but y'all like it. I'll see y'all once I'm done. Here we go. Here we go. Where's my sock? I mean, not my sock, my shit. Please hush. Dang. Just so disrespectful. It does. Okay, just see I'm up here by the shop. Well, I'm up here by the shop because the truck is dead. Y'all, the amount of turns and hills I had to pull to get through these turns and these stop signs and these curves in New Jersey. Baby, I thought I wasn't gonna make it. First drive, being back on the road, and let me tell you, feeling ready to go. I ain't gonna need to work out. I'ma just show y'all. And y'all gonna be along for the ride. Hey y'all, it is October 3rd. It's a Thursday, it's 5:31. And I gotta go back to work. I'm so sad. I do not want to go back, but we gotta go. So that's what we're gonna do now. Head back to the yard. We gotta go to Walmart, Thumb, and then go get this truck. Back to the trucking. So I'll see y'all at Walmart, Thumb, and then the yard. Walmart done pissed me off, y'all. Y'all will not believe. Watch my surroundings. Y'all will not believe what's going on. So, as you see, I'm up here by the shop. Well, I'm up here by the shop because the truck is dead. We go back here. First of all, I've been here for like 45 minutes now. We had to walk around this whole parking lot to find the truck. That's first of all. Second of all, when we got here, finally found the truck is dead. So they have to do a jump off. So that's what's going on right now. So looks like they just got done. All right, we're finna get in the truck now because they're done. Y'all, it is 8:30. Let's look like it is 8:30 p.m. and I'm just not finding the truck, getting it jumped off, putting the stuff in, and I'm still putting stuff away. So we're getting ready to go to Connecticut. It is already starting off as a chaotic vlog. I am so sorry, but y'all like it. But I gotta get hooked up, paperwork and all that stuff, but I'm still trying to get the truck together. So I will see y'all in a second. It's gonna be a minute, but I'll see y'all. Trying to get this paperwork from the inside. Y'all know how chaotic this is. I think it is. Well. Y'all, it's always something. Where is he gonna let me in? Is it a code? Is it a code? Why it's locked?
No, it just messed up, but just lift it up.
Lift it up?
Yeah, right now, you know.
Okay, thank you. Oh my God, this is so ghetto.
What's your truck number?
like that ever. It's too much going on. Finally found the freaking trailer. It's so loud out here. Oh my god. And it's a lot going on. But we hooked up. Well, we're not hooked up all the way. I'm about to hook up, but yeah. But you know, of course hanging on there is. Oh my god, that don't look too hot. It's a little bald. My mud flaps good. Y'all, it is pitch black dark out here, man. We good though. I was trying to show y'all what we had in here, but it's a seal on there. So let me go ahead and get hooked up. Everything look okay. This is an old trailer, so I don't want to speak up nothing, but that tire over there look kind of bald. I ain't gonna lie. These good on this side, but I don't know about that other one over there. Just doing my walk around right quick, but I'm gonna go. Make sure my leg is up. Okay. But yeah, I'm about to go back around here and start hooking up, y'all. It is late. With me when I did it, so let's go inside and see my pre-trip done. I did my paperwork already, and let's get it. Y'all, it is 9:39. I mean, yeah, well, basically 9:39. I'm about to say 21:39, same thing. I got something to show y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all in the morning. My pre-trip's over, I just took it off. We have 458 miles to go before we make it to the next fuel station. So it's time for us to hit the road. Like I said, that pre-trip over, I done my paperwork, and it's time to roll. So see you on the road. Good morning. And yes, I'm saying good morning because it's literally the next morning. I just stopped driving. It's 5:08 to be exact. And I am in Arkansas right now. Pulled over at the Loves and getting ready to go to sleep because I'm tired. This was the first drive being back on the road, and let me tell you, that first load be something serious. Oh my goodness. But I made it through nevertheless. Finna get ready to go to sleep. Got to wake up and do the same thing tomorrow. We have, let's see, the next stop will be the fuel station, and then I'll see y'all. Look, I can't even think straight because I'm parked on this, I'm parked on this corner, and there's people trying to get around me, and I'm trying to make sure that they don't hit the corner of my truck. So yeah, I would just see y'all in the morning. Hey y'all, It is. So look, the last time I talked to y'all, it was 5 a.m. Now it's 6 p.m. And as y'all saw, I've already done my paperwork. My pre-trip, I'm pretty sure it's done. Yes, it's done. 19 minutes. Lord, where was I? I was back there fixing me a protein shake, or what would you call it? Protein smoothie, whatever type of smoothie, fruit smoothie, whatever. But we in what they say? Abingdon, VA. So I'm gonna go in this Love's and wash this blender out. Let's see. We have like 590 something miles to go till we make it to the terminal. So I'll probably see y'all then. But when I come back from washing this blender out, actually I'm gonna take y'all inside with me. But when I come back from washing this blender out, I'm gonna show y'all the milkshake milkshake, protein shake, fruit smoothie, all the same thing at this point. Yeah, so let me go ahead and go. It's getting dark outside, slowly but surely. So let's go inside. Ow! Oh my god, y'all got so much stuff in my hand. I got y'all the camera, this, and then I got my bag to wash my face and stuff. Where should I go? It's clearly not a parking spot. We are not in a parking spot. I don't remember coming to this. I don't even know where we at right now. It feels good out here though. It's not all hot and muggy. I'm so glad it's not. And I'm glad it's not cold. Y'all, I did not bring any pants. Didn't bring any pants. I was like, oh, I have been here before. Anyway, I was like, it might be still a little cold. I mean, a little hot. If I need to bring some pants, if I need to buy some pants, I'll buy some, but I did not bring them from home. I'm trying to watch my surroundings. All this stuff I got in my hands. Trying to film. There's a lot going on. I'm not going to be able to open the door when I get up here. The book. Open the door with my foot. I should have showed y'all in this camera all this stuff I got in my hands. I love these, but my name's so complex. You don't be having my name. Get to this restroom. Where the ladies at? Show y'all all this stuff I got in my hands. Alright, you guys, I made it back out alive. She's clean. Still got all this crap in my hands. Everybody was looking at me with this blender. I'm like, y'all ain't never seen anybody wash dishes before? Anyway, truck right here. Gonna hop in it and roll out. Actually get my smoothie. I need to show y'all the smoothie that I made. Already get this shift over with. It's already late. But we'll be in Connecticut in the morning, so it's alright, it's cool. What is that? Oh, this is what I wanted to show y'all. So, we got spikes on the truck now. So, this is the milkshake I made. Milkshake, fruit smoothie. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then this cup supposedly changed. It does! Okay, so this was white yesterday. Should have showed y'all yesterday. And it changed colors to orange and black. It's crazy. But yeah, it's Facebook. Oh, that's fire. Then I put some kiwi strawberry bloom in it. Oh, that's too good. But yeah, I'm ready to go. So I'll see y'all later. Pull the truck over here. I literally just almost had an accident because somebody just stopped in front of me, and I was literally going through a construction site, and a lady just stopped out of nowhere, and we already pushed off the median. They had cones blocking the road off and everything. Oh my god, bro, I don't even know how I'm gonna get out of here. I don't know if this is enough room. I might be able to swing in here and try to swing out. I don't know. I'm going in here to just, I don't even know, calm my nerves. Freaking stupid. People are just inconsiderate, because why would you stop in the middle of the freaking, we on the median. And you gonna stop out of nowhere? Just go in here and stretch my legs. I could take a 30 here since I'm already stopped, but I don't know if I want to or not. But let's see. Like I said, we at the Sheets. It's 12 in the morning, and go in here and use the restroom right quick. And then I was like, you realize what you're saying, right? Restroom. Maybe something's wrong with you. I just tried to wash my hands, and I was wondering why the sink's so dry. It's because the sinks don't work. So I've decided I'm gonna go ahead and can't even think straight. I'm gonna keep driving and try to at least go to like a Love's or somewhere. Baby, if I can freaking get out of here. If that truck move, I possibly could get through there, but I don't want to hit the top of here. It should be okay. I should be able to get through there. I don't know. I really do not know. I should be able to make it. I'm finna go try it. Y'all. If anything fails, I can just back up right here in this little small spot. But this should be enough room. It's just these trucks in the way, and I don't know how tall that is, because it's not for trucks as you see, it's for cars. So I don't know. Let's get out of here though. That lady done pissed me off, man. Just finished. Let's go to Love's, a fuel station, nearby, something. Let's just get the heck away from here. Yeah. It's time for me to take my 30. I'll see y'all at 96 miles at the next fuel station.
Park Avenue is in your right. Approaching Pilot Dealer number 891.
Super tight. Y'all, the amount of turns and hills I had to pull to get through these turns and these stop signs and these curves in New Jersey, baby, I thought I wasn't gonna make it. Anyway, we made it to the final fuel station in New Jersey. You can even tell by how look how tight the parking lot is. You probably can't tell. Let me show you. But I came in crooked because that's how tight it is. And it probably don't look tight on here, but you can tell from this small room, this auto room I had to pull in here. And that's why I'm crooked. Anyway, what time? Let's see what time it is. 3, is it 3 or 4? It's 5:30 in the morning. But let's get the fueling because it's kind of cold out here. Hopefully my car will work. If not, I just have to go over there inside. So let's see. So I was gonna get ready to wipe my windows. Of course I'm fueling right now, but it was a truck that came in behind me and I want to show y'all how tight. Oh, it's finished. Anyway, I want to show y'all how tight it is. Look how close he is. Look at this now. You see how close that is? He couldn't even get in here straight. This is a hand length apart. That's how tight it is. That's insane. So yeah, it's pretty tight here. But as the rest of New Jersey is, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, all this stuff is crazy tight. And I have to pull this up, baby, because it's cold. I think you loud. I think I second guess myself. I need to get some pants. But I don't have nowhere to sit y'all up out here, so I might not be able to get enough fuel. I'm not. Unless I sit y'all on that brick over there. When this is done, I could use this paper towel and try to sit y'all up. This is all for y'all. Content for y'all. low. I hate when this truck do that. Put this paper towel away. But y'all saw how long it took for the truck to air up. They say the transmission aired, something like that. Trying to load up or something like that. But anyway, if you wait too long, your pump will go off. So luckily I did it in enough time. But if you take too long to come back and start your pump, it'll go off. Anyway, we're done. Alright, you guys, as you see, we have made it to Connecticut. Inside is open, so just gonna leave the paperwork in the trailer, and our next trailer is actually ready. So I will see y'all in a couple of hours once we get everything together. But right now, I'm finna go back to sleep because it's 11. It's 11 in the morning, so I'm finna go back to sleep and I'll wake up and talk to y'all then. Hey y'all. So, my face looks so slim now. Oh! No ma'am. Need somebody no thunderstorm right now. Anyway. So, I got some, I'm not gonna say bad news. I'm getting myself together, so I'm gonna have to talk to y'all from the front and the back, okay? But, I don't know how long this vlog gonna be. I'm gonna try to push it out to make it as long as possible. But, yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. But I just woke up. It is 5. I guess this is my new time to be talking to y'all. 5 in the morning and 5 p.m. But it's currently 5 p.m. And I just, well, I'm lying. I didn't just wake up. Y'all can't even see me. The sun is crazy. I didn't just wake up. I've been up like probably 2 hours. But I ate me some cereal. And I'm still hungry. And I ate 2 bowls of cereal. 2 big bowls of cereal at that. Probably shouldn't have did that, but I did. And I'm also finna get Subway. Of course, y'all know I'm not gonna eat no bread with it. I'm just gonna eat meatballs and the spinach. But for whatever reason, I don't know why, meatballs are made with milk. So, of course, I can't eat that every day at least. I'm gonna eat it today because I'm hungry. And I don't have no food in the back. I don't have no food in the back. So, whenever I get a chance, I'm gonna have to go to Walmart. Not Walmart. I don't do Walmart, okay? Walmart, no. Y'all know what happened. Well, do y'all know what happened? I don't know if I told y'all, but last time when I went to Walmart, they accused me of stealing. So, yeah. Forget Walmart. Second of all, I don't go in Walmart no more either like that because their products always go bad. Every time I buy their products, this stuff is bad like in the next 2-3 days. Like, why waste my money? So yeah, that's the beef I have with Walmart. They try to accuse the girl of stealing. So y'all, let me go ahead and tell y'all. I was supposed to be going from, so we made it to Connecticut, got a new load, because I told y'all the load was ready. Got a new load, and here we are now, a couple hours later. So, we're supposed to be going to Ontario, California, right? Got a call. Oh, we're gonna switch your load. So this is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna either go to Mexico or Arizona. And we have to do a transload. So, I don't know yet if I'm gonna make that into a part 2 or not. I'm pretty sure this video is not an hour long yet. I'm pretty sure. It is so funny to me when guys wear flip-flops with no socks. It's so funny. But yeah, so we gotta do a transload. And honestly, I was looking forward to going to Ontario so I can go to the gym. Y'all know I've been on my healthy stuff. I've been going to the gym whenever I was home. I went every day probably besides 1, maybe 2 days. But other than that, the whole entire almost week that I was there, I went every single day. So yeah, I'm trying to keep it up. And I'm itching. I need a shower. I'm all over the place. But let me finish what I was saying. So y'all know I've been trying to keep up my healthy whatever. And I be wanting to in Pennsylvania, Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. But I be wanting to work out outside as well. Because y'all know typically that's what I do, but I typically do it when I'm about to take a shower, which now I can't do that because I was gonna go to the gym and then after that take a shower, but I don't want to work out outside, and it's hot outside too. I don't want to work out. This man just almost fell. Oh my God. I don't want to work out outside and then get back in the truck, have to take a wash up for the next 3 days. I don't know. I'm just all over the place. Let me just finish doing what I'm doing. I'm gonna take y'all inside because I want to get Subway. Doing this little paperwork or whatever. Baby, I'm all over the place. What's this trailer number? Oh, I can't see. Where the paperwork at? Can't see the sun in my face. I don't want to get too close to y'all because I haven't brushed my teeth yet. But yeah, moral of the story is, this video, I try to make my videos an hour long, but this, I don't know if this video gonna be an hour long because going to Connecticut wasn't much to film. 7-7. Ooh, we get sun bright. So yeah, let me do this paperwork because, like I said, I'm all over the place. I just woke up, my brain not even here. Finish doing this paperwork, and we're gonna go inside and purchase us some Subway, and of course we need to wash our face and brush our teeth. So I'll see y'all in a second because I'm just talking, yapping. I'll see y'all once I'm done. Here we go. Here we go. Where's my sock? I mean, not my sock, my shoe. Please hush. Dang. She's so disrespectful. So I gotta get out and check these temps. Of course, y'all know I'm doing my paperwork. Gotta get out and check it right quick. Done with this paperwork. Put it in there. These shoes back on. We're gonna go inside. Oh, and by the way, oh, I can't see. We got 94 miles to the fuel station, so I'm gonna keep this vlog rolling until we get to the fuel station at least. I know this man did not have no beer in his hand. That's funny. Let me mind my business. Try to find this phone first. Where is my phone? Hold on. Gotta find that. There you go. This is the first truck stop I done came to where it's not chaotic and a lot going on. It's so peaceful. PA usually is peaceful though. Alright, go in here and get me some food. I'm really skeptical about getting these freaking meatballs. I mean, of course, one time won't hurt me. But it's milk in them for whatever reason. Whoever decides to make meatballs with milk in it, I'm not understanding, but whatever. It won't kill me this one time, but I need to hurry up and get to a Sprouts or Whole Foods or something, whatever Pennsylvania has besides Walmart, and get me some food so I don't have to keep eating this stuff. Because y'all know I'm on my healthy stuff. Restrooms. They got a game room here. That's cute. Restrooms.
I thought they go in the freezer.
Just that shake stuff I got.
Oh, okay. I'll take 2 servings on this time. Are you taking 1 serving? I take 1 serving.
Two. I feel like it's all
I used to roll in. They hate in. Roll in, trying to get me rolling dirty. Was it right? This is how we begin the driving footage for y'all. And then when it's time to take it out, we pull over and stop and grab the camera.
Right.
Right. Because we law-abiding citizens.
We wait.
Law-abiding citizens. We don't break rules and regulations. Oh, y'all know how to hit the protein bowl, right? And I'm mixing them on cereal now. That thing did not fill me up, man. And I understand the goal is not supposed to keep you full, right? Ooh, that sun show shine, baby.
That didn't help at all.
The goal is not to be like just super full to the point it's good, but I'm not satisfied. That's the real problem. Not only am I not full, but even am I satisfied. I gotta at least be satisfied if I ain't going to be full. So, hit me a bowl of cereal, finish watching SWAT. Yes, SWAT. You don't know what SWAT is? On Netflix, check it out. They dropping a new season. I'm starting from season 1. This is my first time actually ever watching SWAT. So, it's pretty doggone good. So check it out, man. Y'all know we be putting y'all on. And y'all don't be checking out the show we put y'all on to. Y'all really missing out. We really be putting y'all on some fire. I'm telling you, some fire. But yo, that's it. TCB rolling. She loving me.
I want to buy that booty.
Trying to catch me bending over.
You like that night then, dude? Hey, why I got no shades in here? I don't know.
I forgot to show you.
Where are you putting it? It's so good.
I think I saw with this one, I don't know, but something about like a berry shade for the fall. Mind you, I've never used it before, I just got it yesterday. Yikes, that does seem kind of I'm gonna use the same brush I've been using. I also just feel like it would blend in smoother. The Glossier Cloud Paint is so pigmented where it's so hard to spread. I just feel like it sticks to the one place.
Alright, made it to the first fuel station. Good job down here. Goodness gracious. Next fuel station will be in Indianapolis, so navigate that. $436 to go to the next fuel station. So you guys, I am all done fueling. I didn't have to do all three. I just did DEF and diesel. So the next fuel station will be in Indianapolis. So I'll see y'all then. Actually no, I'm lying. I will see y'all on my 30. That's when I'll see y'all, because I need to work out tonight. I meant to work out last night. That didn't happen. But yeah, I need to work out. So I'm just doing my walk around to make sure the trailer's still good. It's really cold out here, and I still don't have no pants. Like, did I not learn from yesterday? I just haven't went to Walmart yet to go pick up no pants, but we'll see. Because as soon as I get the pants, I'm gonna be hot. All right, we're looking good. Pulled over, about to take my 30. I'm actually about to go sit back and go to sleep because I'm not gonna make it. Got 150 miles to go to make it to the fuel station in only an hour and 53 minutes. So I'm not gonna make it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a nap, and I'll catch y'all once I wake back up. You already know how I am, by the way. I'm trying to scoot this seat back. All right, just got done. It is 4:30 in the morning. Just got done with my shift. As y'all saw, I just got done fueling, and we are in Indianapolis. If I didn't say y'all, pretty sure I did, but if I didn't, we are in Indianapolis right now. Just got done fueling, finna get ready to go. And I need to work out. I don't feel comfortable working out here, but I'm gonna do a little something. I already walked around the truck or whatever, but I want to actually work out. That was my plan, but it's not crowded here, but it's a lot going on, and I don't want to work out with a lot of people looking at me, and a lot of trucks steady passing by and stuff. So I was gonna show y'all me working out maybe another time. I don't know. I need to take myself off duty because I did have myself on duty fueling, so I'm gonna put myself in sleeper. 10-hour DLT break. Next, Indianapolis. Confirm changes. All right, we are off duty. But yeah, I was going 661 miles to the next fuel station. That'll be another vlog. So like I told y'all before, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all. I usually don't tell y'all, but I'm gonna tell y'all anyway, because I'm gonna pick up tomorrow with this vlog. That don't matter. Y'all watch the next vlog to figure out what's going on. But I am finna tell y'all now, because I've already told y'all earlier, but if you didn't hear me say, I have to do a transload. So I will talk to y'all more about that tomorrow once I start my next vlog. But in the next vlog, I have to do a transload. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe in this particular video. Make sure you like, comment. Make sure y'all post notifications on, because in my last 2 videos, I don't think y'all post notifications on. I don't know if YouTube playing with me or what it is, but the views was low and I don't like it. So make sure y'all have y'all post notifications on, because that helps the girl out. I be so distracted, y'all. If I see anything in my eyesight, I'm finna look and I'll be distracted. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next one. Make sure that you like this video up. Share it with your family, your friend, your sister, your brother. Share it with somebody, okay? Even repost it. Even when I post a short, y'all post it. Y'all help me get to this 3K that I'm trying to get to. I'm really trying to get to, you know what? We gonna get into it. I got goals, but y'all know how when if you say something, you might have people wishing on your downfall. So I'm not gonna speak upon what I want. I'ma just show y'all, and y'all gonna be along for the ride. So anyway, love you guys so much. Continue to watch the video all the way through as well, because it helps me as well. And I will see y'all in my next one, because I'm finna talk y'all heads off. Not tonight though, because your girl is kind of sleepy, okay? Well, technically in the morning. Anyway, love you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.